Yeah, do I need more skincare? No. Do I have a shopping problem and love skincare and makeup? Yeah. Did I buy it? Uh-huh. So we're going to unbox it and see what I got because I really don't remember. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you're curious about a little mini Beautylish haul and a random BoxyCharm add-on pop-up mystery box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Okay, so I told myself on my New Year's resolution that I would stop purchasing pop-up add-on sales as best one could. I have so much stuff from all the beauty boxes I unbox that I need to like start using them all and not be so wasteful and spending so much money. This box showed up. I'm like, what is it? The little thing there says BoxyCharm. And I'm like, I don't remember getting any add-ons. That doesn't mean I didn't. And obviously, I got something. So I'm going to unbox it and figure out what the heck it is. I did intentionally do a little haul. First time ever shopping at Beautylish. And I wanted to get some products from the Good Molecules that I've been hearing so much about. And so I finally pulled the trigger. Yeah, do I need more skincare? No. Do I have a shopping problem and love skincare and makeup? Yeah. Did I buy it? Uh-huh. So we're going to unbox it and see what I got because I really don't remember. Okay, let's start with the BoxyCharm. Feels a little heavy. I don't know if it's one. I'm not even going to guess. I have no clue. No clue whatsoever. They sure taped it up a lot. One second while I get into the box. I thought it was going to be like one item. There's a lot in here, and I saw a very shishy name. So, okay. This will be exciting. Let me grab that first shishi. Oh, it's very light. But it is a shishi name. I don't remember getting this. This is from Elemis. It's a Hydra Boost Day Cream. What? Is this maybe from in January? That's why, and it took forever. This arrived like a week ago. I'm just filming it now, but what? I don't remember. All right, so yay. Shishi brand Hydra Boost Day Cream for dry skin. Speechless. I will list on the screen at some point during this video all the items and like what the real price is versus what I actually paid because I love me a good deal. All right, next item is also from Elemis. What the? What? This is the White Flowers Eye and Lip Makeup Remover. Oh. I want to say I kind of remember, but maybe not so much. Ooh, look at that. All right, you got to shake it up. Yes, so if you haven't seen it yet, I did a makeup remover video comparing one Shishi brand with a Shishi Light brand. I will link it up above. All right, hopefully this is good for my waterproof mascara. That's mainly what I use these products for. All right, next item. What did it... This is like Christmas. Okay, so one thing to look forward to when you get old is your memory kind of goes. But the beauty of that, unless you're have a really bad shopping habit, is when you do buy something, you forget about it, and when it arrives, you're all surprised. Like, ooh, it's like Christmas. What is this? Oh, I do remember getting this. I don't remember when. This is Saturday Skin, and I believe one of the boxes, December, January, people got this in their box, and I was like, why didn't I get that? And then I saw it on, I don't know if it was a pop-up add-on sale, and yeah, I don't remember how much I paid, Why is this box ripping? Why? Oh my goodness. Okay, she's pretty. Are you gonna smell like lemons? You're yellow. Ooh, it comes with a little fancy spoon. Ooh, it's very yellow. It does have a very, 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 very subtle scent. My hand cream's overpowering the scent. I want to say it's kind of lemony, but don't quote me on that. But that looks kind of like a lemon or an orange, right? I don't know. But I'm super excited because I love gel water creams. Yes. All right. Last item. Ooh, by a very Shishu Fufu brand. And it is like me to purchase stuff in an add-on or pop-up sale. Because, you know, when stuff costs $90, $100, $120 and you can get it for like 12 bucks, like why not? This is from Avant and it is the glycolic mica arginine urea shea butter age nutra. I always like read here and then like right down here it has the actual thing. Take two. This is an intensive red. This is an intensive redensifying. That word threw me. I'm like, it looked like redness-fying. Redensifying glycolic acid day moisturizer. Okay, just say moisturizer. Wow, this video is crazy. Yes. I'm crazy. I know. That was a really good surprise. And add-on slash pop-up sale haul, in my opinion. Got some LMS products, an Avant, and a Saturday Skin. So, yay. I'm going to list on the screen the grand total of everything with the MSRP compared to what I paid for. Okay, on to the other haul box, which is a purchase from Beautylish. That I kind of remember in the sense that I think I only got 3 items. Oh, how pretty. There's an actual nicer looking box inside the shipping box. Is it a box? Oh, it's a flimsy box. It's more of a sleeve than a box. Everything's falling out. Okay, I lost something here. Let's just call that the first item. What is this? This is from Good Molecules. I believe everything is from Good Molecules. It's a silicone-free priming moisturizer. Yes, I've been seeing people with dry skin talk about this priming moisturizer for a while, and I've been curious about this product, even though I own at least 20 plus primers that I've gotten in numerous beauty boxes that I haven't even tried yet. So what do? I go buy another primer. Alright, so there we go. Here's what the packaging looks like. It is silicone free. Comes with a pump. Let's give it a squirt and see what it looks like. Okay, so it's white, like a cream. That squirted out quite a lot. It does not seem to have a scent. It looks to kind of have a glow. That is lovely. It does feel like more of a moisturizer than a primer. Awesome. Okay, well, let me know. Have you tried or used this product before? And if so, what are your thoughts? I thought this was so pretty until it wasn't actually a box. It's a sleeve. It's still pretty, but put the sides on. All right, what else we got in here? It looks like they sent a little soap sample. This is from also Good Molecules. It's Clarify and Cleanse Bar. Okay. We all need to wash our hands. Or is that for washing your face? I don't know. Let's get to an item I actually did purchase. All right, what is this? This is the Daily Brightening Serum formulated with beta arbutin and hyaluronic acid to gently brighten skin tone. Ooh, yes. I'm all about brightening. I want glowy skin and brighten skin. You know, get rid of my hyperpigmentation and redness. Oh, that's quite large. How many? Is that 50? No, that's 30 milliliters. It just seems bigger. Huh, it's heavy. This is a glass bottle. All right, so let's see. It has a dropper. And let's see how liquidy that is. Okay, so that's standard. Oh no, it's a little thicker. By thicker meaning it's not water, but it's kind of like a gel. Again, no scent. I put it on top of that primer, so it's probably not going to absorb into the skin as ideally as it would without the primer, but that is lovely and nice. Okay, I'll be excited to give that a try. All right, what is the last item here? This same box shape. This is Discoloration Correcting Serum. Ooh. Don't recall. Ooh, does this have ingredients to get rid of hyperpigmentation? Wouldn't that be lovely? Oh, interesting. It is in a dark bottle. What is spectacular about this? Hold on. Let's look at the side here. Oh, I love the packaging. I don't know if you can read that. But they literally list out on the side, so you know exactly what's in here. Water, butylene glycol, propanediol, glycerin niacinamide, cetyl something, cetyl alcohol, serotonin, silica. Anyways, you can just quickly go blah, 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 what it is. And look at the other box. Did it do that? It did not. Oh, well, that's the primer. Where? Oh, here we go. Well, this one didn't do it. Okay, well, this box is fancier and has the percentage. Okay, well. Leave me a comment if you find this video sad because it's so bad or hilarious because it's really bad. Is there anything else? Okay, there's a little something from Beautylish. What is this? Piece of paper. Oh, okay. Well, looks to be a receipt. God forbid they put the prices on here. So now I'm going to look up. I will list on the screen everything I spent. I can't recall. This brand is not super pricey. I want to say each item was, I don't know what I guess, like 10 to 12 bucks maybe. Look on the screen and I will show you what it costs. It said, oh, there's a sample. I'm like, why does it say 4 items? Paid for 3. I got a clarifying and cleanse bar sample. All right, well, there we go. So I have a lot more products that I really don't need. But at some point in my life, I will talk about them again, give a review, or they'll be in an empties video. I don't know. I got so much stuff. It's crazy. Let me know what of everything you saw me unbox today that you personally own and enjoy and or have been eyeing and wish you owned. Yes. All right. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't done so by now, I would love it if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you. Remember to click the bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. Hit that thumbs up and please leave me a comment. All right. Thanks, everyone.